Teithio dros ei llwybrau a thaim o'i hyd. Tir oedd ein dewinoedd ar gan yn un ar gwynt yr ori.
Well, today we've got a very special episode of the Snowdonia National Park Authority podcast. I'm Siwan Llynor, I'm one of the National Park Authority's communication officers, and with me today is Siwan Llynor, who's been working on a very exciting project called Yr Ochr Draw. Siwan, could you tell us a bit about the project?
Well, it's a digital community creative project with Ysgwrn and the community of Trawsfynydd. A group of artists have been working with a community, a group of young people and also children from Ysgwrn, Yr Awen. And the end product is a song called Yr Ochr Draw, on the other side. And it's a song of hope and of looking forward to the future. And we were keen to celebrate the landscape of Trawsfynydd within the song. So there's also a music video to accompany the song, and all the footage have been shot by the young people and also the children of the school. So their idea of on the other side and images of hope for the future.
Yes, it's fantastic. I've had a sneak preview and it's very timely and the work's fantastic. Could you tell us a bit more about the contributors?
We've been working with the musician and composer Guy Toms. He's composed the song with the community, and also another musician called Manon Llwyd. She's done the vocal arrangements and been teaching vocal sessions over Zoom with the school and the young people. We've been working with the visual artist Catrin Williams. She did a lovely art session with the school. All the children were at home, or most of the children were at home, painting the landscapes, colourful landscape of Trawsfynydd. And also we got on board the editor Rhys Grail, who's in the band Gwilym, to create a music video that's been created out of the footage of mobile phones of the children and the young people. But we've also been very lucky to have drone footage as well of the special landscape of Trawsfynydd.
Yeah, it's fantastic how technology works these days and how everything's been in sync. Without going any further, I think we'll have a listen to the song now. And if anyone wants to see the music video, it's on the National Park Authority's YouTube channel. So thank you very much, Siwan, for all your hard work on this project, and we hope everyone will enjoy.
Diolch yn fawr.
Lle